Welcome to Kesler Shares. We are going to learn about the alphabet. Today, I am going to share about the letter B. A B have an uppercase B and a lowercase b. Now, let's see if you can draw them. Take a pen. A uppercase B is a down, round. Did you get it correct? Good job! Now, let's see if you can draw the lowercase b. A lowercase b is a down and round. Did you get it correct? Good job! This is a box. Box starts with the letter B. The color of the box is black. Black also starts with the letter B. Now, do you want to find what is inside the box? Let's find out. Oh, we have some building blocks. Blocks starts with the letter B.
Hello, Kesler.
Hello, D.
I'm Z. I'm a zebra.
Hello, D.
How are you, Kesler?
I'm fine.
What do you have there?
Some building blocks.
Wow, what are building blocks used for?
Building blocks are used for building.
Can you show me?
Sure. You just stack one on top on another. I can build a high tower. Ta-da!
Wow, that's so cool. Can I play with it?
Sure.
The building collapsed.
Don't worry, I will get you another one.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, we have a book. This is an ABC book. Let's sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yeah, so nice. You sang so well.
Thank you. Oh, and we have a ball. Ball starts with the letter B. Diva, do you want to play soccer?
I want to play ball. Let's play the ball.
Okay.
Woo! So fun. Okay, where's the ball?
Oh, we have a bottle. Ah, bottle starts with the letter B. Ah.
Whoa, I'm so thirsty. Can I drink some water?
Here you go.
Oh, so delicious.
Oh, and we have a bowl. Bowl starts with the letter B.
Wow, so cool. Bowl. I like bowl.
Do you wanted to jump inside the boat?
Oh, I can try. Boom.
Whoa, 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 your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dream. Whoa, 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 your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! That is the end of my sharing. If you like my video, click like and subscribe. See you next time.